Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you may not have the appropriate permissions to access the item. Type Windows Security in Windows search bar. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.